Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. We are in Hollywood Studios, got our coffees in hand again. We are in Toy Story Land.
Making our way to Slinky.
It has a 15-minute wait.
So we're gonna hit that before sunrise.
Yeah, because Slinky is the best at night.
Accurate.
All right, well, here we go.
Bienvenidos a Slinky Dog Dash. Por favor, permanezcan.
Evan's favorite part.
Makes me laugh every time. I love it. I don't know why.
Because he says it with that like crazy accent.
It's just like that doesn't add up.
Yeah. Just got off Slinky. Gives you a nice little
Yeah, we did.
wind swept look.
It's awesome.
It's so much fun.
If you can do it before sunrise, it's really cool.
Yeah. I don't know why. I mean, it was supposed to be like a kid's ride, but it's probably like
Third best roller coaster for me.
Yeah.
Space Mountain, Everest, this.
Yeah, I would have to agree. It's fantastic.
It's awesome.
Do it
Plus it's
in the
not much
dark.
foggy.
It looks a little brighter than it actually is out right now. It's
Yeah.
kind of like dawn. It's not quite, sun hasn't risen yet. It's
Yeah.
getting close,
We're
but
washing dishes with Dawn.
so here we go. Let's show you that transition into
Batu.
Batu. So ready? Here's swirling saucers.
And Batu.
And here's the entrance. Okay, so first inconsistency of the trip. They told us up front that we are allowed to get into Galaxy's Edge through Toy Story Land, which we did yesterday. But
Like
today
4
they told
times.
us no, it's an exit only, so we have to go around. So I think we're gonna miss sunrise again, because we planned it perfectly today. And guess what? Well, no, that foiled our plans. Evan's
Livid.
peeved, to say the least. So, thanks Disney.
Oh, hello. Now, Meg's in the bathroom. I'm grabbing food. So I got the Ronto morning wrap. So we had the Ronto roaster yesterday, and it was delicious. So let's jump into this one. It's really good. Great sausage. I absolutely love the sausage in this. The egg's great. The pita's great. Yeah, I'm all in on this. So it appears, to at least us, that Ronto Roasters might have the best food. Which is crazy, considering it's their little quick service restaurant, but strongly recommend it. We have not been disappointed by it, and I got a Tatooine sunset again, which we had yesterday, so that was delicious. If you missed that, you can see that in the link down below. But I'm gonna finish my wrap, and we're gonna keep moving through Batu again this morning.
So we've hit that point in the trip.
Where we've done everything.
Well, no, not exactly. But we're just like,
We've hit our let's relax a little more point.
yeah, let's chill. Plus it's so humid, if you can't tell from the fluff that is my hair.
It was super curly.
I attempted to curl it this morning, I did. You can still see a trace amount, but it's time to go home and, well, home. Back to the hotel and fix that.
True.
I think we're gonna try to go ride Frozen, because there's extra magic hours at Epcot.
And right now it's only like 7:40, it's the park opens in 20 minutes. So we might be able to even rope drop it.
not quite.
We'll be
but
a few minutes after.
yeah, we're just gonna take one of the boats over, and there you go.
Do Frozen, go back and chill for a little bit, and then Halloween Horror Nights tonight.
Yeah. Need to do some laundry.
Oh yeah.
Clean those shorts.
Those laundries.
Here, let's do a little quick, simple break dance. Dance break. Break dance.
Oh, she's gonna break dance. Watch, she's gonna do the head spin. There it is. Just turn it upside down. You never know.
This is a more casual.
Alright, here she is, break dancing. Breaking dances since 1993.
Breaking wind.
Gross.
Just kidding.
Not really. Alright, so we're gonna go to Epcot. See ya!
Come on, let's go. I know this is how to get